Okay guys, got another project that we just completed here, and I wanted to share you this. It's a 2019 367. This one is a underground mixer truck, and so I did this project with Vermeer of Colorado with Hanson. So he put this package together for a good customer of ours. Congratulations Dan, Luis, and Martin with Superior Underground. A fantastic up-and-coming company here in Colorado. So I'll go through the truck real fast. It's got a 500 X15 Cummins. Get under the hood. $1650 torque. Really good horsepower. It's got an 18-speed gearbox in it, manual. Disc brakes up front. And we did drums in the rear. On this one we did a little bit of bling on there with the 13-inch air cleaners. And put the air horns up top. Two 1,000 gallons MX300 Vermeer mixing units. Then we put the Merit barn door stainless. So they're aluminum box with stainless covers. They're a little bit more expensive, but I think they're a really nice box. That way you don't have to fight getting heavy tools over the door or worry about dragging your door on the ground. .24.5 rubber. We did 370 rear gears on this truck, full lockers. And then you got your MX300 Vermeer mixing systems. So when DTI finished the body, we took it over to Vermeer and they did all the custom plumbing on the mixer units for Superior. Turned out real nice. And then they did these removable guards so they can put pallets up on the back of the truck. Extended step. So behind this panel right here, on the inside of the long seals, DTI put a place for them to put all their drill tools. So all their drill rods and everything will fit up underneath there. And it has holes cut in it so that, you know, any water or anything will actually drain out underneath. I can show you real quick. That's the bottom of the panel between the long seals. Turned out real nice. We've got the Rolson ladder. It's a fold down ladder. So the truck bare bones chassis came in at about 17,000 pounds. After we did the full upfit with the body and the mixing units and everything, I think it came out to right around 24 when I did the certified weight. So we did the Mordura heavy duty seats, black interior. It's got air ride both sides. We put a battery disconnect on the other side. I forgot to show you guys that, but it has a battery disconnect and battery jumper terminals on the battery box under the passenger side for street side. And that way if you have to jump anything up on the body, you can. nice little hood out there, but I like this truck. Even in traffic, you can see really well down to the corners of the hood. So it gives you a nice little classic feel. Well, there you have it. Just wanted to say congratulations to Superior on their new truck, and we thank you guys for believing in us and hope this thing works well for you. And Hanson and his team over at Vermeer, Colorado, make sure to give them a call if you guys are in the underground business. They do a fantastic job. I like working with them. And hey, if you like these videos or you have any questions, give me a call. My name is JW, 970-518-5520. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and click on the button in the bottom right hand corner. We'd love to have you, and we'll talk soon. Stay safe, everybody.